Hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to look at some of the changes that are in the Bridge Operator console for RingCentral in our September 2020 update. Let's start quick with the settings changes. There's one notable one in here now. Users are able to specify an outbound caller ID, and it's toggleable between all the numbers that are available given your user. People who are running the application as super admin and have the admin pull down on every user will now be able to upload a photo as well. So if you are a super admin and you need to change pictures of other users in the system, you are now able to do that as well. Okay, so program-wise, there's a few things. The first is we have improved the call alert. So if you are using the call alert function, that will now pop up on top of the calls per hour, call minutes per hour graph section, and it's no longer modal. So you can actually click on items behind it as well, and it will go away when there are no more calls waiting. So if we can get a call to ring in here, we'll show you that guy. So here's the new pop-up right here. So you can see we're able to click behind things. We can actually answer and transfer calls without that guy being any kind of a nuisance at all. And when it is there, we can use it just like normal. So gives us a little bit more flexibility there. The second thing to note, program-wise, is we've changed the consult transfer to show the caller ID of this original caller on it now. So if I go to consult transfer this call, you can see now we're going to display both who the caller is and who we're transferring it to. So we'll give you that visibility as it does get a little bit hard to, as we kind of gray it out behind to see who it is. So just in case you forgot who's calling, we'll show that there. If you've got a record for it and a picture, we'll show that as well. So that's an addition to the consult transfer feature. And finally, as far as new features go, we've added something called call notes. This was a request by a customer, so this will be available in this version going forward. So the way call notes work is you can probably see there's a little button here. If we click it, it opens up a window. So we can say, calling about XYZ. So we've saved that. Let's say we park that call and we get another call coming in. Oops, let me actually park it this time. So we put that call in the parking lot. A few minutes later, we need to remember, who that caller was. Now that we're talking to somebody else, we can click here, as this will kind of follow it around. So we can click here and we can get those notes back, so we can see what the user was calling about. So it gives us the ability to just basically set a note on a call, and it will follow the calls as we go. So let's just say we put it's Pepsi on this one, and we save that one. So if we click back here, calling about XYZ, if we click here, they love Pepsi. So the notes will follow. They're tied to the number. So as long as you have some sort of caller ID that's distinguishing by a caller ID number, everything should work great. And that's the new features available in the September 2020 update for Bridge Operator console for RingCentral. Have a fantastic day.